Want to make money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools for passive income in 2025. And I promise a few will surprise you. Stick around to the end. I'll share how I use these tools to generate real profit. First on the list is Predis.ai. This tool creates social media content automatically. Posts, ads, images, even short videos. You can set up templates and deliver ready-made content for clients or for your own brand. Once the system is in place, the income can become recurring with minimal effort. Second is Polo AI, an advanced tool that turns text into stunning images and videos. Think, faceless YouTube videos and promos generated in minutes. No camera needed. Publish consistently and let ad revenue and product sales roll in on autopilot. Quick tip: batch prompts into reusable templates, then schedule outputs. Third, we have Canva AI with Magic Design. This tool helps you design templates, logos, and digital planners. Here's the trick. You can sell these digital products on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. You create the product once, and it sells over and over again. True passive income. Number 4 is Descript, a powerful AI for editing audio and video. It lets you edit video just like text, remove pauses automatically, and add captions. You can use it to optimize your own videos, or even sell editing services to other creators. With automation, you can scale this into a steady income source. Finally, number 5 isn't a single app. It's an opportunity. AI affiliate programs promote tools you already use and earn when people sign up through your link. For example, platforms like Custom GPT AI pay commissions for each new sign-up from your referral. Share helpful content, drive clicks, and watch the payouts add up. Make a quick review or tutorial, add your affiliate link in the description, and you can earn recurring income each month from renewals. Quick tip: disclose affiliate links and track clicks. These are my top 5 AI tools for passive income in 2025. I test and use them, and I've seen real results. Which one do you think is the most powerful? Comment below, and hit like if this helped. Subscribe for weekly AI and online business ideas.